Free Motion Quilt Foot Set Convertible. Free motion channel quilting with a clear view foot. The Free Motion Quilt Foot Set allows you to do a variety of free motion stitching techniques on your quilt. The set has 3 different feet attachments. The clear view foot is designed for uneven surfaces and has guidelines for evenly spaced quilting. The inner line is 1/4 inch from the needle. The outer line is 3/8 of an inch away. This is especially good for echo quilting. To install the attachment on your foot, loosen the screw on the side of the foot, slide off one attachment, and slide on another. Then retighten the screw. To install the foot on your machine, loosen the presser foot screw and remove the existing foot and ankle on your machine. Attach the free motion quilt foot to your machine and tighten the screw. Lower the presser foot and adjust the screw on the right so that the bottom of the foot just skims your fabric. Choose a straight stitch. Drop the feed dog. You may also choose to use the optional straight stitch needle plate. We'll be stitching around this letter J. Just keep the inner line touching the letter for even spacing all the way around.